For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a trucking business can be a lucrative and rewarding endeavor if approached strategically and with the right resources. Leveraging free AI tools can help you cut costs and streamline many of the tasks involved in planning, marketing, and managing your trucking business. This step-by-step guide will walk you through how to start a trucking business using free AI, covering everything from initial research to creating essential business documents and marketing strategies. Step 1. Understand the trucking industry and define your niche. Before diving in, it is important to gain a solid understanding of the trucking industry, including regulations, types of trucking services, common challenges, and potential opportunities. Use free AI tools like ChatGPT to research the trucking sector. You can ask it for overviews, trends, and insights. For example, you can prompt ChatGPT prompt. Provide a detailed overview of the trucking industry in the United States, including types of trucking businesses, common regulations, and current market trends. This will help you get a clearer picture of where your trucking business can fit, whether it's long-haul freight, local deliveries, refrigerated trucking, or specialized cargo. Step 2. Conduct market research. Next, identify your target market and analyze competitors. Use AI tools such as Google Trends to check demand for trucking services in your area or region. For deeper analysis, ChatGPT can help synthesize competitor information and suggest potential gaps in the market. You might prompt ChatGPT prompt. Analyze the trucking market in your region or city. Who are the major competitors, and what niches appear underserved? This step helps you position your business uniquely and understand pricing, services, and client expectations. Step 3. Create your business plan. A clear business plan is essential for guiding your operations and attracting potential partners or investors. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to draft this document efficiently. Include sections such as business overview, market analysis, services offered, operations plan, marketing plan, and financial projections. A good prompt for ChatGPT could be ChatGPT prompt. Help me write a comprehensive business plan for a trucking company focused on your niche, including market analysis, services, marketing strategies, and financial projections. AI will help structure your ideas and provide professional language for your plan, which you can then customize. Step 4. Register your business and obtain licenses. Your trucking business must comply with legal and regulatory requirements. Use online AI chat assistants or government website chatbots to guide you through the registration process. You will likely need to register your business entity, obtain a USDOT number if operating in the U.S., and get appropriate trucking licenses. AI tools like ChatGPT can help explain. ChatGPT prompt. Explain the process and requirement for registering a trucking business and obtaining necessary licenses in your state or country. This will give you a checklist of all necessary steps and forms to file. Step 5. Set up your finances. Organize your business finances, including opening a business bank account and setting up accounting software. AI-powered free tools like Wave or ZipBooks offer easy accounting solutions tailored for small businesses. You can also ask ChatGPT to help draft financial documents like cash flow statements or budgets. ChatGPT prompt. Create a monthly cash flow forecast for a trucking business, starting with one truck and expected monthly expenses and revenues. Managing finances carefully will help you avoid cash flow problems later. Step 6. Purchase or lease trucks and equipment. Decide whether to buy or lease trucks depending on your budget. Use AI tools to compare prices and analyze financing options. You can ask ChatGPT for advice. ChatGPT prompt. Compare the pros and cons of leasing versus buying trucks for a startup trucking company with limited capital. Additionally, AI image search tools or websites like TruckPaper can help find available trucks in your price range. Step 7. Build your team. If you plan to hire drivers or administrative staff, Use AI tools to create job descriptions and interview questions. ChatGPT can help generate these quickly. ChatGPT prompt. Write a detailed job description for a long-haul truck driver position, including responsibilities, qualifications, and salary expectations. You can also use free AI resume scanners to help evaluate candidates' resumes objectively. Step 8. Develop your marketing plan. Marketing is critical for gaining clients. Use ChatGPT to create a marketing strategy tailored for your trucking business. The prompt could be, ChatGPT prompt. Create a marketing plan for a trucking company targeting small manufacturers and retailers, including digital and offline marketing strategies. You can get ideas for social media content, email campaigns, and networking approaches. Additionally, AI design tools like Canva, free tier, can help you create professional marketing materials. Step 9. Set up operations and logistics. Organize your route planning, scheduling, and customer communications. Free AI-powered route planners like Google Maps or Route XL can optimize your deliveries. ChatGPT can assist in drafting standard operating procedures. ChatGPT prompt. Write a standard operating procedure for handling customer orders, scheduling truck dispatch, and managing delivery issues for a trucking company. This will help ensure consistency and professionalism in your day-to-day operations. Step 10. Implement safety and compliance measures. Safety is paramount in trucking. Use AI tools to learn about safety regulations and best practices. ChatGPT can provide training content or checklists. ChatGPT prompt. List essential safety protocols and compliance measures for a trucking company to follow according to FMCSA regulations. Regularly review these guidelines and train your team accordingly. Step 11. Use AI for customer service and communication. To enhance customer experience, implement free AI chatbots or assistants on your website or social media pages to answer common questions, schedule pickups, or provide status updates. Tools like Tidio or MiniChat have free plans suitable for small businesses. You can also prompt ChatGPT to draft customer communication templates. In conclusion, starting a trucking business with the help of free AI tools is more accessible than ever. By methodically researching the market, creating structured plans, managing finances, marketing strategically, and optimizing operations, all with AI assistance, you can launch your trucking company efficiently and cost-effectively. The key is to use AI not just for automation, but also as a guide and creative partner throughout your business journey. With dedication and smart use of these technologies, you will be well on your way to success in the trucking industry. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.